Starting around 31 October 2023, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, especially kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Brise generally has a complete market cap of $58,921,531, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $971,145, which in every practical sense, sort of is very huge. This fundamentally in every way that really matters makes Bitgert, Brise kind of most certainly positioning at 331 in the digital money market in every practical sense. Further appearance how this essentially makes Bitgert, Brise fundamentally positioning at 331 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert basically be somewhat exceptionally worth in 2023 in a huge manner? Is Bitgert a kind of wise speculation or fundamentally essentially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in every way that really matters, thought amazingly? Will Brise cost by and large outperform its record-breaking commonly exceptionally high in an unobtrusive manner? These by and large are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which most certainly especially is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Brise cost in a real sense by and large is supposed to basically in a real sense cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal sort of least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the truly current year ought to truly be $0.00000034 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, Brise can generally arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.00000038, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical in a significant way. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, which fundamentally is very huge. While the pretty fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.00000031 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost especially is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Brise for the September for the most part remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035, sort of fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they truly thought. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.00000033, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the truly greatest cost for Bitgert could sort of stretch around $0.00000037 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 for the most part is $0.00000034, with a kind of typical cost of $0.00000035 in a by and large enormous manner. Bitgert value figure December 2023. The truly normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, might generally basically go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023 in an entirely significant manner. Brise could truly be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the truly least expected cost of $0.00000034, showing how Bitgert value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the genuinely sort of most extreme cost for Bitgert could stretch around $0.00000037, which by and large sort of is genuinely huge. Bitgert for the most part fundamentally passed value examination in the sort of commonly beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense, explicitly has been in a real sense diminished by 1.43% in its essentially current worth, or so they by and large thought. Assuming we truly analyze the actually fundamentally current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can basically most certainly see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, which truly is genuinely huge. Bitgert essentially is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Brise essentially is down to nearly 2.74% in the very most recent 7 days, demonstrating the way that Brise could by and large be exchanging around a kind of sort of greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the really least expected cost of $0.00000034, showing how Bitgert value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the very most extreme cost for Bitgert could fundamentally stretch around $0.00000037, fundamentally essentially in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, all things considered, past by and large couple of days, the coin could basically have kind of solid essentials yet. We don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large especially present moment, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the pretty essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise truly diminished by 69.610%, dispensing with an incredible kind of truly normal amount of $0.00000034 from its in every practical sense, lovely current worth in an unpretentious way. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a sort of good really purchase a potential open door for genuinely fast venture. Bitgert value conjecture 2023 facts. What will sort of be Bitgert fundamentally exceptionally worth in 2023 in a significant manner? The Brise cost fundamentally is gauged to really arrive at a very beautiful greatest degree of $0.00000038, with especially least cost of $0.00000034 toward the finish of 2023. Kind of additional appearance how besides Brise can arrive at a reasonably essentially most extreme value level of $0.00000038, which basically is very critical. Does Bitgert actually basically have a future in an every way that really matters, significant way? As far as value, Bitgert sort of has an extraordinary genuinely potential to sort of arrive at new levels, which truly is genuinely critical, which is very huge. It very is estimate that Brise will increment in esteem, so will Brise cost in every practical sense, truly outperform its record-breaking high, which truly is genuinely huge. As per actually certainly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Bitgert can generally raise a ruckus around town most exorbitant cost of $0.0